Good morning, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, January 2nd, 2019. And Happy New Year, everybody. I hope everybody had a great time with family and friends, and looking forward to an awesome 2020. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about today is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right, awesome. Let's check and see where we're at. I've got the weekly chart pulled up here for the SPX. There's 2 days left in the week. They really did put in a bottom tail on Tuesday, and we'll see if we get some follow through. The S&P futures are up this morning. We'll take a look at that in a moment. You can see what happened here with the upper trend line. We broke down a little bit, formed a trend box. So we'll have to see now if they push to all-time highs. If they do, we'll shift that trend line up, and the trend will remain bullish until proven otherwise. The geometric chart here, we've been holding this channel from 2018 to 2019. Now we're in 2020, and we're above it. And next level up is the macro pitchfork level up here, which is about 3,300. So we'll see how we behave if we get up there. Could be pretty interesting. Let's take a look at the S&P futures this morning. Okay, so futures are obviously bullish. We had a big spike here around like 4 a.m. And seemed to be holding that pretty well. So here's your bump line right here. Continuing to hold. Let's see if it works sideways to the open and gives some more strength, or if it breaks down and they decide to flush it this morning. But seems to be pretty bullish going into the new year. Plus it's a new quarter, right? So we see fresh flows in coming from institutions, and earnings season is coming up. So we may see some earnings runs, and it'll be very interesting to see what the results are as we have Amazon reporting this month and the financials report in 2 weeks. So that's going to be pretty exciting. So other than that, we have a few that are on the radar this morning. Not too many upgrades and downgrades this morning. No earnings this morning that of any significance. Upwork, it was a downgrade this morning. That's gapping down a little bit. Ross Stores going to be on the radar. Not too much activity this morning, but it was a downgrade. Let's see what else we got. We've got Ford Motor Company. Got a downgrade this morning. So that was down a little bit. Seems to be recovering slightly. HBI, Hanesbrands, gapping down this morning on a downgrade. And Disney, upgrade this morning. So just it looks like it's gapping right up to a downward channel. Let's take a look and see how it is on the daily. So on the daily here, it held support real nicely on Tuesday. And we've got this downward trend line here. Let's see if we can get above it and get constructive and then start to work our way up. We've got some closing gaps up here. Fib, all-time highs, fib fan lines. So so lots of good potential targets on this one. So anyway, guys, I hope everybody has a wonderful trading day today. With the market up pretty huge like this, we'll just if anybody's long, not a bad day to trim some profits, but also we'll be looking for some setups, especially if we can get some extra momentum today. So, but we've been seeing a lot of surprises to the downside. We'll see if they have any tricks in store for the beginning of the year. So I hope everybody has a wonderful trading day today, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you soon.